Are you sick and tired of cracked, crusty lips? If so, I found the perfect thing for you. This is the Elizabeth Mott sleeping mask, like the lip sleeping mask. Oh my goodness. This stuff is so good. Now, it's an overnight treatment that you put on your lips. It comes with this little applicator and it repairs your dry lips. It helps to hydrate them and put moisture in there. And it just basically gives you the lips that you used to have before all of this dingy, dry weather has come and just cracked everybody's face and lips up. Look at this stuff. So I shot this video the first day it came. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. And let me just tell you, I am in love. Now, first of all, yes, this is an overnight treatment, but I'm going to be honest with you. I use this as lip gloss because the glow it gives you is just so on point. I have naturally kind of plump lips anyway, which this helps to plump your lips. And I have nice plump lips anyway. And this stuff gives such a shine and it is just so, it's perfect. Just watch the video. I use this as my daily lip gloss, especially when I'm running out. It's a very neutral color, blends in with your skin no matter what tone you are, and it works so well. So if you're looking to hydrate your lips, really repair them, give them some restoration treatment, restore everything else, let's restore those chapped and peeling lips. Check out the Elizabeth Mott store because this stuff is amazing.